Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are well, Nati, by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. So look, this is our lecture number 10, and our selected topic is chapter 4, question number 1, 2, 3, and it is also our homework number 7. Subject is ICT. So dear students, I have told you that in our today's section we have 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. Here also I have written chapter 4, question number 1, 2, 3, lecture number 10, homework number 7, question number 1. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Why do you think the use of spreadsheet is effective in preserving and publishing exam result? Answer: data of any type and kind can be calculated, analyzed and reported using computer programs. Use of spreadsheet for various tasks has come popular as a result. Using spreadsheet is very useful to preserve and manifest examination results because many students are in one school. Several exams are there in one education year, so it is very difficult to manually preserve and manifest the results of this exam. An additional manpower is needed. Preserving can be troublesome. Papers with manually prepared result can be lost, damaged. But test results can be easily published with all the complex calculation if we use computer-based spreadsheet software. The spreadsheet file is preserved in a computer and the whole process can be completed with less manpower. So here we have got the question number 1 answer. Now we will go to question number 2. Why is addition or subtractions easier in spreadsheet? Answer: doing summation and subtraction in spreadsheet is very useful since calculation can be done quickly and correctly in spreadsheet. Calculation can be done automatically since use of formula is allowed in this software. It takes less processing time as the same formula can be used again and again. There are separate formula for addition and subtraction. Using this formula, many data can be worked on at the same time. Once the formula are utilized, results are automatically changed at any addition or subtraction of data. So addition and subtractions can be done very easily and quickly in spreadsheet. Now question number 3. Write the strategies of using special sheets. Answer: we know that the grid of worksheet remains in spreadsheet as the column and row. The title of every column and the row is indicated with English alphabets and numerical figures respectively. So address of the reference term every cell in the grid remains and specific as well. Take the cursor in any of the cells and type letters or numbers pressing keyboard and type. It will be AND, A and D. That is a little mistake. Okay, you will follow like this one. It will be AND, A and D. Cells and type letters or numbers pressing keyboard. The using of spreadsheet starts now. We can take the cursor on any cells of the worksheet by moving the arrow key. The cursor can be taken to any cells by clicking the mouse. That means we have got the 3 number questions answer also. So dear students, look, and this will be our homework number 7, and your homework is chapter 4, question number 1. That means this one will be your homework. Question number 1. Question number 1, you must write the chapter 4, then question number, then 1. Please pick up the questions, then answer while doing your homework. Dear students, from chapter 4, today we have practiced question number 3, 1, 2 and 3, and another class will be held on question number 3 also. This will be our extra questions 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, please do your homework and keep practicing at home. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.